Hi, this is Max and Jacqueline for our Mastering Electronics Lab 4. Here is our circuit for the inverting op amp. So it's the voltage is input here, and then we have our resistor 1 kilo ohms, our feedback resistor of 12 kilo ohms, and then we're measuring the output voltage here.
Alright, and now here we can see that our op amp is working correctly because the output is 12 times bigger and negative, and then our slew is the difference between this point, and that is 330 volts per millisecond. And then we can do our network sweep, which is here, and this is what our network sweep looks like. More on that later. All right, thanks.
Okay, so to check to make sure that we're getting the right sweep on our inverting circuit,
This is our inverting circuit. It's pretty rad.
we had to at 100 kilohertz check that to make sure that it was a sine wave.
Yeah, and we can see that the sine wave is, like when there's the peak of the input down, or the peak of the input, we're at a low for the output. There's a little bit of lag, but it looks good. So we know that our inverting op amp is working.
Okay. Hi, this is Max and Jacqueline for Lab 4. So here's our follower circuit. Yeah.
And here is waveforms.
Hi, this is our difference op amp circuit, and so we have our R1 and R3 connected here, and R2 and R4, which is our 10 kilo ohms, connected there. Voltage is being input here, and then we're gonna measure the voltage right here, where this is R2.
Alright, cool. And so here's our network sweep across our difference.
So to find the common mode gain, we're gonna take, how do you do this?
You just click.
Okay, we're gonna take 16 peak-to-peak points of channel 2 and average those, and then we are going to divide by the peak-to-peak amplitude of channel 1, which is here and here, and that'll give us the common mode gain.